Now coming to some further interesting or important points about Germany as a wine market. The drinking behavior. Germany is the fourth largest consumer of wine in the world, with approximately 17.2 million hectoliters of wine in 2021. The domestic market is very important, with a per capita consumption of approximately 20.7 liters. The amount of sparkling wine in Germany is very high. The average price for the total wine market in Germany is nevertheless not that high or quite low. The German wine market tends to be quite international, but also quite price competitive. Here from a survey from Geisenheim, the wine consumption of a bigger group of more than 2,000 people that were asked. So we could from that sum up that we get in Germany round about 30 million consumers that are not drinking wine. We have 9.6 million frequent drinkers that drink wine once a week or even more often. 15.1 million occasional drinkers. That means they consume once a month or more than that. And we have some infrequent drinkers that drink less than once in a month a glass of wine or more, but at least they are consuming wine. While looking at sparkling wine, it is worth mentioning that Germany has the highest per capita consumption of all countries, and that goes back that we do not rely on drinking sparkling wine in Germany just for festive activity. It is also while you are in the mood or you just want to enjoy a glass of sparkling wine, you do so. Therefore, we also have quite price competitive sparkling wines on the German market, not just sparkling wine based from bottle fermentation, but also from Methode Chamat. Sparkling wine is being sold here in Germany and quite cheap in many cases, but there is a market for that.